Selamat datang di channel Atmaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Welcome back guys, kita akan kembali lagi mengamati perkembangan dari idola kita, Putri Ariani, the beautiful song dari Indonesia. Yang kali ini banyak reaktor luar negeri yang sangat-sangat salut dan sangat-sangat kaget ketika melihat cover dari Putri Ariani yang sangat-sangat wow, amazing guys. Dan yuk intinya kita dukung terus Putri Ariani, kita support agar menjadi juaranya nanti di ajang pencarian bakat. Dan semoga melambung lebih tinggi lagi buat Putri Ariani, gadis muda yang sedang berjuang mengharumkan nama Indonesia di kancah selebriti dan entertainment dan vokal guys. Wow, intinya kita dukung terus. Dan oke, kali ini ada beberapa reaktor yang sangat kaget dan sangat syok juga melihat Putri Ariani. Cover dari Putri Ariani kali ini versinya sangat-sangat amazing. Dan oke, tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya, let's go guys.
That's when she starts belting out her voice and sounding absolutely amazing.
It's absolute mini masterpiece, and I love the way Putri just accesses that perfect, magical, innocent perfection of this song and doesn't try to do anything with it apart from sing it.
Para pengamat vokal guys.
Keep in mind that this is 4 years ago, so she was 13 years old. As I always said, this girl was born to sing. She has music in her DNA, in her blood,
Wow,
in
dalam
everything.
DNA-nya guys.
She is music.
Now I looks as though they here to stay.
Already goosebumps.
Oh, I believe in yesterday.
I don't believe I have heard the original song of this before. I obviously do know of the Beatles, but I've never actually heard the original song. I don't think I've really even heard any Beatles songs. Like maybe like some really big famous Beatles songs that I've heard once or twice, or on the radio, but I didn't realize it was a Beatles song. But yeah, but this sounds really nice. I'm here for it. And yes, if okay.
I'm not half the girl I used to be.
Jeez.
Wow.
There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had
I'll go back. From the first words that she started to sing, goosebumps. This is how good is Putri's voice.
Wow.
Because it's a very beautiful, angelic, melodic, and you want to hear it more and more and more. Ooh.
yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go,
Ooh.
I don't know. It was
Jeez, Putri.
I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Yesterday.
Keep in mind that this is 4 years ago, so she was 13 years old. As I always said, this girl was born to sing.
Ya, saya
She has
sepakat
music in her DNA, in her blood, in everything.
dalam
She
DNA-nya
is
guys.
music.
Musik.
I'm glad that she gets the support that she gets now and the success that she gets now, but I hope that people will support her until the end of times. Now it will be less. No,
Amin.
it should be more.
Love is such an easy game to play. No one need a place to hide away.
Facts. I love the vocal notes that she's hitting and the voice. It's just so good and so nice.
Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? And really, there's something so special about Putri when she sings, because she just seems to be able to go into this really special place and take us with her. And I think the fact that she doesn't see the world in the way that we do, you know, she's not able to see through her eyes. She has a different kind of vision. It's an interior vision. It's a vision of landscapes. And obviously it's not really within our words to describe how she sees this, because what we can't see, we can only feel. And what Putri is so amazingly good at is just bringing us to that place where she is. This is one of those songs. It's a little gem. It's absolute mini masterpiece. And I love the way Putri just accesses that perfect, magical, innocent perfection of this song and doesn't try to do anything with it apart from sing it.
Why he had to go, I don't know, he won't say. I said,
And you feel that she empathizes with every song. It doesn't matter if it's a cover made for a love song or if it's a cover made for a sad song, or it doesn't matter. She will always express feelings regarding that song. You feel that in her voice. Not everyone can do that.
I said something wrong.
Hold on, she's got some. Okay, so hold on. Let me look at the background for a second. Obviously, she's got a guitar. She can play guitar, but she has a drum set in the background. Can my girl play the drums too? Is that another instrument on her list that she could play whilst being blind? What is going on? Can she? Let me know in the comment section down below if she could play the drums and do that as well. Like, oh my god, I can't even do that. I'm very envious and jealous of Putri Ariani for sure.
Something wrong.
Ooh, so beautiful, so beautiful.
Now I live for yesterday. Now I live for yesterday. Yesterday. Love is such an easy game to play, and now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday.
Oh, look at the note she's hitting there. The like, it's low, but it's still like trying to bend up higher. Ooh, that sounds so beautiful.
Oh, I believe
Ooh, Putri,
yesterday.
beautiful Putri.
Oh, I believe in yesterday.
You see what I mean about going to this interior world where she brings us? It's absolutely impossible to put words to something like that. But what I would say about her singing is that, of course, it's perfectly beautifully in tune, because it always is, but she's not opening her mouth very wide. She's not stretching at all. It's all inside. It's slightly on a horizon like this, but it's never stretched wide, and it never goes like this. It's just on this beautiful level, and dynamically it's quite narrow. She doesn't ever sing out, and she just has those moments of precious pianissimos. But it's all about the song, and for Putri it's all about bringing us into her heart, into this deep, deep felt emotion, and to a wondrous world where she sees and we see with her.
Oh, I believe in yesterday.
Wow, adem banget guys, asli.
Wow. I know that she's Putri. I know that she is the one that will always amaze us. But still, she is doing something that is very rarely seen in an artist. to make you always feel the song. That's why when I do reactions for songs that are not in English, I still feel the song.
I believe in yesterday.
Oh, you can see in her face and in her eyes that she started tearing up a little bit there. She's starting to get a little bit emotional. Such an amazing artist, man. Such an amazing artist. That was so good.
Oke guys, jadi segini video yang kita reaction dan wow, cover Putri Ariani beberapa tahun yang lalu dan saat umurnya masih muda sekali. Tapi ya kita lihat penampilan dari cover tersebut emang amazing dan keren sekali guys. Putri Ariani saat menyanyikan lagu apapun penghayatannya nggak ada lawannya. Penghayatan dan emosionalnya itu selalu dapat bikin kita kaget yang baru pertama melihat cover-cover dari Putri Ariani, dan memang amazing sekali dan keren sekali. The Beautiful Song Indonesia ini tidak ada lawannya soal penghayatan dan penjiwaan lagu tersebut. Lagu yang dibawakan apapun itu, maupun happy atau sedih, selalu dapat insting atau penghayatan lagu tersebut guys. Dan seakan Putri Ariani merasakan lirik lagu yang dinyanyikan tersebut. Memang wow keren sekali. Oke, sukses selalu buat Putri Ariani, dan ya kita support terus, kita dukung terus idola kita, The Beautiful Song dari Indonesia ini, Putri Ariani. Oke. Dan apa tanggapan kalian? Tulis juga di kolom komentar, kita juga bisa berdiskusi di situ. Dan sekian video kali ini. Dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.